Hi, hello everyone from B1 Engineering Placements. Today we are going to discuss about the syllabus, aptitude syllabus for InfyTQ 2022 and expected questions for this InfyTQ 2022. This InfyTQ 2022, this exam coming soon. Please subscribe my channel. Please watch my videos for your future. First, we discuss about the syllabus of this aptitude. The mathematical ability and logical reasoning section covering aptitude of the Infosys Drive is of medium difficulty level. The questions could come from different topics such as data arrangement, crypto arithmetic, number series, time and work, time, speed and distance, permutation combination, probability, other quantitative aptitude questions, topics such as profit and loss, partnerships, averages, algebra, ratios and proportions too. So first question. Anita goes to college at 20 km per hour and reaches the college 4 minutes late. Next time she goes at 25 km per hour and reaches the college 2 minutes earlier than the scheduled time. What is the distance of her school? Distance equal to formula is product of speeds divided by difference of speeds is 5. Difference in times. One is late, another one is early means add 6 by 6 minutes convert into hours 60. 21 ja 23 ja 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 5 1 ja 5 5 ja 5 into 2 10 kilometers. The distance is 10 kilometers. Option number D is the right answer. A track covers a distance of 376 kilometers at a certain speed in 8 hours. How much time would a car take at an average speed which is 18 kilometers more than that of the speed of the truck to cover a distance which is 14 kilometers more than that traveled by the truck? So a truck covers a distance of 376 at a certain speed in 8 hours. So speed equal to distance by time. 376 by 8. 8 1 ja, 8 4 ja 32, 5 6 56, 8 7 ja 56. 47 kilometer per hour. How much time would a car take at an average speed which is 18 kilometer per hour more than that of the speed of the truck to cover a distance which is 14 kilometers more than that traveled by the truck? 47 plus 18, 55, 65. 65 speed is car speed. Now it covers 14 kilometers more than that one. 376 plus 14, 390 by 65. 13 5 ja, 13 3 ja 39, 0, 5 1 ja, 5 6 ja. So it takes 6 hours. Option number A is the right answer. Two cars, namely A and B, start simultaneously from a certain place at a speed of 40 km per hour and 55 km per hour respectively. The car B reaches the distance 2 hours earlier than E. What is the time taken by A to reach the distance, to reach the destination? So S1 into T1 equal to S2 into S1 into T, S2 into 2 T minus 2, 2 hours earlier. S1 is 40 into T equal to S2 is 55 into T minus 2. 40T equal to 55T minus 110. So 15T equal to 110. 5 3 ja, 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja 10. T equal to 22 by 3, 3 7 ja 21, 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means 20 minutes. 7 hours, 20 minutes. So option number C is the right answer. Out of 7 consonants and 4 vowels, how many words of 3 consonants and 2 vowels can be formed? So out of 7 consonants, here we choose 3, 7C3 into, out of 4 vowels, we choose 2 vowels. First to find 7C3 value, 7 factorial by 3 factorial, 7 minus 3, 4 factorial. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 6 into 4 factorial. 6 get cancelled, 7 5 is 35. Into 4 C2 value is 6. 6 5 is 30, 6 3 is 18, 21, 210. Option number C is the right answer. Find the missing number. 62, 64, dash 32, 14, 16. 16 2 ja 32, 32 2 ja 64. Now 14. This one is 14. Here dash 62. Now division is divide by 2. Now here minus 2 divide by 2. Minus 2 means 60. 60 divided by 2, 30. 30 minus 2, 28. Divided by 2 is 14 we get. So 30 is the right answer. Option number C is the right answer. Twelve people are sitting in two parallel rows containing 6 people each, that they are equidistant from each other. In row 1, P, Q, R, S, T and V are seated and all of them are facing south. In row 2, A, B, C, D, E and F are seated and all of them are facing north. Therefore, in the given seating arrangement, each member is seated in a row faces another member of the other row. Either S or Q sits at an extreme end of the line. S or Q sits at the extreme end of the line. So row 1 facing south. These are facing south. Whenever they facing south, our left is right, right is left. These are facing north. Now S sits third to the right of Q. Third to right of Q. S sits third to right of Q. Our left is right, right is left. So now suppose here Q sits first right, second right, third right. Yes. The one who faces Q sits second to the right of E. Second to the right of E. First right, second right. The one who faces Q sits second to the right of E. Two people sit between B and F. B and F. Here B, F not there. B, F. Neither B nor F sits at an extreme end of the line. So here B, here F, or here F, here B. The immediate neighbor of B faces the person who sits third to the left of B. The immediate neighbor of B faces who sits third to the left of P, faces third to the left of P. First left, second left, third left. Third to the left of P. R and T are immediate neighbors. R, T are immediate neighbors. R and C sits second to the left of A. C sits second to the left of A. Here D. Here T and R. P, Q, R, S, T, V. T does not face immediate neighbor of D. Who among the following sit at extreme ends of the row? Extreme ends of the row. P, P, D. Okay. SD is not there. QA is not there. VC is not there. So P, D is the right answer. Option number D is the right answer. Next question also similar one. Now, who among the following faces S? S faces A. So option number A is the right answer. Next question. X and Y start from the same point and run around a circular stadium whose circumference is 2800 meters at the rate of 250 meters and 350 meters per minute respectively in the opposite direction. They will meet at each other in. So here speed is here time x by 250 speed equal to 2800 minus x at which place they meet divided by 3. 5 5 ja 5 7 ja 7x equal to 0 0 5 8 ja 40 5 2 ja 10 14 minus 5x 12x equal to 1 4 triple 0 4 3 ja or 2 6 ja 2 7 ja 14 0 0 0 2 3 ja 2 3 ja 2 5 ja 10 0 0 x equal to 35 3500 by 3 meter per minute. Now we calculate the distance. They will meet each other and at what time? Time we want to calculate. So 3500 by so 250 per minute by A. So 250 into 3. 0 0 get cancel. 25 1 ja 25 1 ja carry 10. 25 4 ja 14 by 3 per minute. 14 by 3 minute. A work is done by 30 workers. Not all of them have the same capacity to work. Every day, exactly 2 workers do the work with no pair of workers working together twice. Even after all possible pairs have worked once, all the workers together works for 6 more days to finish the work. Find the number of days in which all the workers together will finish the work. So 2 members as 1 pair means 29 pairs we get. So 1 by W1 plus 1 by W2, that work of each and every person, plus 1 by W30 plus 6 more days means 6 times 6, 1 by W1 plus and so on 1 by W30 equal to 1 work. 1 by W1 plus 1 by W2 plus and so on plus 1 by W30 equal to 29 plus 6 35, 1 by 35. That work, reverse this one, we get the work. In how many days to complete that work means 35 days. X minus 2 persons can do a work in X days, and X plus 7 persons can do 75% of the same work in X minus 10 days. Persons into number of days is work. X minus 2 into X equal to X plus 7 into X minus 10. This work is equal to 75% means 75 by 100 of this one. 25 3 ja 25 4 ja. Now, then in how many days can X plus 10 person can finish the work? X square minus 2x equal to x square plus 7x minus 10x. minus 3x minus 70. Minus 3x minus 2x plus 3x is x. So 2x equal to 3x plus 70, x equal to minus 70. So here calculation mistake is there. So once again listen. 3 by 4 into 75% means x minus 2 into x equal to x plus 7 into x minus 10. 3x square minus 6x equal to 4. 4x square minus 7x plus 7x minus 10x minus 3x means minus 3 into 4 12x minus 70 into 4 280. X square minus 6x minus 280 equal to 0. 280 7 4 is 70 40 74 ja, 35 8 ja, 5 ja. It can be written as 2 into otherwise 6 plus 20 2 into 2 into 1 ja 2 4 ja 0 2 into 2 into 70 2 into 2 into 10 into 7 7 2 is a 14 20 14 20. Now here we need minus 6 plus 14 minus 20. So x equal to minus 14 plus 20. So 20 for x to x 20 days. X completes in 20 days. X plus 10 complete in how many days? When increases, this value decreases. Decreases means here right proportion. First product equal to second product. So is 20. 20 persons complete in x value is x minus 2. X minus 2 20. 20 minus 2 18 persons complete in 20 days. 30 persons complete in how many days? 18 into 20 equal to 30 into question mark. 0 0 get cancelled. 3 1 ja 3 6 ja 6 2 ja 12 days. Option number B is the right answer. Shruti, Smeta and Swati together can cut 216 apples of the same size in 3 hours. U plus V plus W equal to 16. Number of apples cut by Shruti in 9 hours is same as Shruti U 7U, Swati 9U equal to 7U 7W. In 1 hour, Swati can cut as many apples more than Sweta. Swati means W minus Sweta V equal to Swati can cut many apples more than Sweta as Sweta can cut more than Shruti V minus U. So the number of apples cut by Sweta in 1 hour V equal to U plus W. U plus W value is 2V. 2V plus V is 3V. 3V value is 216. 3 1 ja, 3 7 ja, 21, 3 2 ja, 72 B value. Sweta. Then the number of apples cut by Sweta. 72 in how many hours Sweta cuts? 7 hours. So 7. So in 3 hours, Sweta cuts how many apples? In 3 hours, 216. 216 by 72. 72 1 ja, by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 7 ja, 22. So now 72. 72 cuts in 3 hours. Per hour, how many cuts? 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 6. 3 4 ja, 12. 24. Option number B is the right answer. 8 plus 8 plus 8. Here t value is given 0. Now you get this one is B t. T value is 0. This is fixed. Now what is the value of A? Suppose we'll take A is some 8. 8 3 is 24. 2 carry. E is 4 4 12. 12 plus 2 14. So you get t value is 0 14. But now here see this value is 480. This value is also 480 480. So this we add these three values. This also same. This answer is the correct one. 0 24 14 14. So alternately we'll take these values. Now this value equal means this is equal means now this value equal to this one. Now B means 1, E means 4, E means 4, T means 0. Now TEE 0, E means 4, E means 4. 0, 4, 4, 8, 8, 0, 88. So 0, 88 is option number A is the right answer. So I think everyone understood all these questions with shortcut methods. Please watch my videos. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks to everyone.